Bhangar Fort in Rajasthan, India is considered one of the most haunted places in the country, and there are several legends associated with it. The Sadhu in the Shadows. A sadhu named Baba Balawnath gave his permission for the fort to be built on the condition that the fort and any building within shouldn't be taller than his house. However, when the sun shifted south in winter, the shadows of the fort grew longer and touched the sadhu's cave. The sadhu cursed the town and its people, saying that they would never be able to build another roof in the area. The Wizard and the Princess. A wizard fell in love with the princess and tried to cast a love spell on her by replacing her nectar with a love potion. The princess smelled the suspicion and threw the bottle of perfume on a large rock, which crushed the wizard to death. Before he died, the wizard cursed the entire village, condemning it to destruction and desolation. Some visitors say they feel anxious and restless when visiting the fort, and that they get a sense of paranoia as if someone is following them.